If you're serious about upgrading your cookware to PTFE and forever chemical-free, you've probably heard of Made In. Known for quality performance and stylish design, Made In's stainless clad cookware is a favorite among chefs. But is it the right fit for your kitchen? Let's find out. Made In's stainless clad cookware boasts premium 5-ply construction. 5 carefully layered metals crafted for superior cooking performance. The aluminum alloy and the aluminum core offers rapid, even heating and exceptional responsiveness. The 304 grade 1810 stainless steel interior, it's durable, rust resistant, and won't react with your food, ensuring healthy cooking. The Ferratic 430 stainless steel exterior is highly durable and magnetic, which is perfect for induction stovetops. One standout feature is Made In's signature Stay Cool handle. It's designed with a hollow core to significantly slow heat transfer and make maneuvering safe and comfortable. Superior heat transfer allows for quick heating, consistent performance, and excellent heat retention across the entire cooking surface. Its versatile performance is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and it's safe in the oven up to a remarkable 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal for searing or oven finishing dishes. Its roll-top rims, thoroughly and thoughtfully designed to minimize drips when pouring through the sloped sides. And while aesthetically pleasing, it can lead to spills on your stovetop, so just a heads up. While these stainless clad pans are fantastic all-rounders, they're not naturally non-stick. So if delicate dishes like eggs or flaky fish are your specialty, you might need a little extra care or a bit more oil. Cleaning Made In stainless clad cookware is really straightforward, keeping its beautiful professional appearance even with daily use. The intuitive design makes cooking effortless and enjoyable. It's perfect for beginners looking to elevate their skills or experienced home chefs aiming for restaurant quality results. So here at LeafScore, we are big fans of Made In's stainless clad cookware. Its premium construction, excellent heat conduction, and stylish design, well, makes it an exceptional choice. So whether you are new to the kitchen or a seasoned pro, these pans are going to deliver impressive results every single time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.